Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aitna Liana Miskia and today I will explain my lesson plan. Jadi, lesson plan ini dirancang untuk peserta didik fase E kelas 10 berdasarkan kurikulum Merdeka. Pembelajaran dilaksanakan dalam 2 kali pertemuan dengan durasi masing-masing 90 menit dan berfokus pada pemahaman serta produksi teks prosedur melalui sebuah proyek. By the end of the lesson, students are able to understand the definition, social function, generic structure, and language feature of procedure text and apply this knowledge by creating a digital poster about local Indonesian food accurately and creatively. This lesson supports the following dimension of the Pancasila student profile. The first one is critical thinking. Students analyze example of procedure text and identify their generic structure and language feature. The second one is creative. Students design a digital poster using Canva. The third one, global diversity awareness. Students appreciate local Indonesian food while connecting it global sustainable issue or SDGs 12. Project-based learning is used to encourage active learning. Students work through stage including language exposure, planning, scheduling, monitoring, presenting a final product in the form of a digital poster. The learning materials focus on procedure texts that are relevant to students' daily life. The materials include the definition and social function of procedure text, their generic structure, consisting of goal, materials, and steps. These language features cover imperative verbs such as mix, boil, and cut, then sequencing connectors like first, next, and finally, and then adverbs such as slowly, carefully, and example of procedure texts are taken from familiar context, especially recited for local Indonesian food to help students understand how the text type is authentically. The learning media is a YouTube video explaining procedure text. Is shared through Google Classroom so students can access it anytime. Then sample digital poster are provided as visual references to help students analyze text structure. And Canva is used as the main tool for creating digital poster. Last, laptop or smartphone are used as learning device during the project. Learning activities, meeting 1, language exposure. The teacher plays a procedure text video from YouTube via Google Classroom. Then students analyze a sample poster and identify the generic structure. Driving question, the teacher asks guiding question and explain the project tasks. Planning, students choose a topic and write an outline of their procedure text. Scheduling and monitoring, the teacher sets deadlines and provide feedback on structure and grammar. Meeting 2, students finalize their digital poster using Canva. The teacher check progress and provide guidance. Volunteer present their project at the end of the lesson. The theory SLA is when input hypothesis through video exposure and output hypothesis by encouraging students to produce language through writing and presenting procedure text, collaborative feedback, support interaction, and noticing. Canva select because it supports individual creativity, clear language production, and multimodal design, which are essential for developing procedure text in project-based learning setting. This tool aligns well with the project-based learning approach and swine comprehensible output theory as it encourages students to produce language, revise their work, and present information clearly through visual design. aspect or technological pedagogical content knowledge. The first one is content knowledge, understanding procedure text, including their purpose, structure such as goals, materials, and steps, linguistic characteristic, including imperative verb, sequencing connector, and adverb. The second one is pedagogical knowledge of implementing project-based learning individually, where students move from drafting to producing a final multimodal product. The third one, technological knowledge. Skills are related to using Canva, including applying templates, inserting visuals, organizing text, and exporting digital work. The last one is effect integration. Using Canva to design a digital procedure poster allows students demonstrate their understanding of procedure, content, and linguistic feature through a visually structured and multimodal product. Redefinition occurs when technology enables tasks that would be impossible to accomplish without it. This presents the highest level of technological integration. Assessment include formative feedback during planning and monitoring, and summative assessment of the final digital poster based on content, accuracy, structure, and language feature. The last one, and creativity. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.